This is bordering the province of Sindh, the north of Sindh where you have just visited and coming from. Excellency, 270 people have perished in last 3 months. The rainfall started on 13th of June and continues until recently. 1.3 million people have been displaced. 185,000 households have been either completely damaged or partially affected. 500 livestock perished. 100,000 poultry have been killed. So a lot of infrastructure has been damaged. Bridges, one railway bridge also caved in. 900,000 acres of land has been affected, agriculture lands and orchards. So the government of Balochistan evacuated more than 125,000 people safely and reached to 1 million of people who were trapped because of the road disconnectivity. We provided almost 119,000 people, families with food packs. There is a gap of 66,000, 56,000 tents were provided, 129,000 tents are still.
So it's the responsibility of human beings.
God will help, but UN or the federal government or the other donors will help.
Largest province of distance are very large and remote areas and reaching those areas whatever infrastructure they have. During the time of very deep that's gone. Bridges, flyovers, I see myself going all these areas along the it's been terrible errors. And they are all trying their best. They are trying to provide shelter, food. But this province, as I say, has lots of natural resources, but I do praise of God. But the fact in terms of resources, in terms of finance, other resources, we need to focus this province very sharply. In that, I think again, your